Good morning, students. So this is the class of 8th standard math and we are just continue our first lesson, rational numbers. Okay. In this lesson we have the properties of rational numbers over addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We solve examples of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Today that the point we have here, it is representation of rational numbers on number line. Okay. Here we are going to study how to represent rational numbers on a number line. Before that, you know how to represent integers on a number line. See, you know number line means what? So here on the board you have a number line in front of you, and basically already you have studied about the integers. So you know how to represent integers on a number line. Okay. So see, here on a number line we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. So here you have a number line with the integers. But representation of rational numbers is the second step. So how you have to represent that rational numbers on a number line. See, basically it is a very easier. But for that you should have to look towards it carefully. So here they have given you that first example. Okay, we will take one example and then I will explain you how you can represent any rational number on a number line. Here you have to represent 1/3 on a number line. Okay, so see, first of all you know how to draw a number line. Okay, so see, as it is, you have to draw a line. We mark the 0 on this number line. And now you have to represent 1/3. So first of all, what we have to do? First of all, you have to give some space because that 1/3 is the number, that rational number, it is nothing but lies between 0 to 1. In short, you will get an idea the numbers are lies between which two numbers, isn't it? So that 1/3 is lies between 1 and 0 and 1. So here you have to mark 1. Exactly opposite side you have to mark -1, isn't it? And now look towards the denominator carefully. That denominators represent you how many exactly divisions you have to make between 0 to 1. Here your denominator is 3, so you have to make the equal 3 parts of that. Okay, 0 to 1 region. So see, this is the first one, second one and third one. Now we have 3 divisions on between 0 to 1, and that number you have to represent like this way. This is nothing but 1/3. This is your 2/3, and this is the 3/3, and that is nothing but the 1. 3 ones are 3 ones. Isn't it? This is the very simple and easy method. Okay, but you have to represent those numbers carefully. So you have to represent 1/3, and this is the number that you have to represent. You can give the line A. Okay. Next one example we will take here. You have to represent, see, I am just going to change that. -2/3. That you have to represent on a number line. So here your first step that you have to draw a number line. Okay. Exactly at the middle. We mark it 0. Now what we have to do is first you know it is a proper or improper type. So you have to check. It is a -2/3. So again, this is like with 2 because this denominator 3 is quite bigger than the numerator. That means you will get the 0 point something answer is there, isn't it? That means this is also lies between 0 to 1 but is on a negative side. So here 1, 2, same but with the opposite numbers, isn't it? And now we have to divide this part 0 to -1. You have to divide between equal 3 parts. Yes, it's done. So the first one, this is 0. So first one is a -1/3. The second one -2/3. And this is the -3/3, which is nothing but the -1. So this is your required number. So you can mark this by using the pencil, and at last you can represent your -2/3. Can give any initial to that number. So this is very easy, simple steps. Now we are taking one more example. Okay, so see here we have -3/5. Okay, this is also by using the same method we are going to solve it. You have to represent that -3/5 on a number line. So see, your first step, draw a number line. Exactly at the center you have to mark the 0. Since that -3/5 denominator is greater than the numerator, so this number is also lies between 0 to 1. So here, but is on a negative side. So here it is your 1. And now look towards the denominator, it is a 5. So you have to make that equal 5 parts of this region. So isn't it? So this is -1/5, -2/5, -3/5 and -4/5. This is -5/5, isn't it? So that you have to represent -3/5. Otherwise, if you mention those rational numbers on this side, -1/5. This is also okay. -2/5, -3/5, -4/5. So -3/5 is here. You can give any initial to represent that number. Okay. So such a way you have to represent your rational numbers on a number line. Okay. We will take one more example and then we will stop here. But here, the next example, they have given you that two numbers, two different rational numbers, and you have to show these two rational numbers on the same number line. Okay? There, you don't have to use the two different lines. Only on one line, you have to show these two numbers. Okay? See, you have to show 1/4 and -2/4 on same number line. So first of all, draw sharp long number line. Exactly at the middle you can mark 0. Now the positive, this is a 1/4 that you have to represent. So here this is your 1, this is the 2. equal 4 parts. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here 1.4, 2.4. So that you have to represent. So we can give initial M representing your first rational number, and the second it is a negative. So C. Minus 2/4 that you have to represent on a number line. So here this number, how you can represent on a number line. So see, so here you have to prepare equal 4 parts. This is a minus 1/4, minus 2/4, minus 3/4, and this is a minus 1. So minus 2/4 is here. So this is your point N, which is representing your second rational number minus 2/4. Such a way you can represent the rational numbers on the number line. In our next lecture, we will continue that point but with the other different examples. Okay. So today we are going to stop here. Thank you.